Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is a premium phone, but one accidental drop can instantly ruin it. In this video, I'm revealing the top 13 best Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus drop protection cases for 2026 that are built to absorb impact and keep your phone safe. Stay with me to discover the toughest protection options available right now. On number 13 is WRJ Magnetic Matte Case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. The WRJ Magnetic Matte Case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to protect the phone while adding magnetic compatibility for accessories like wireless chargers, wallets, and mounts. It features a slim, translucent matte back with a flexible TPU frame and hard polycarbonate layer, delivering military-grade drop protection while keeping the device lightweight and comfortable to hold. The matte finish improves grip and helps resist fingerprints and scratches, while raised edges around the screen and camera add extra protection during everyday use. In real-world situations, it performs reliably by absorbing small drops, maintaining a secure hold in hand, and working smoothly with magnetic charging accessories. Compared with many standard non-magnetic cases, it offers added functionality through magnetic alignment while still maintaining a slim profile. Overall, it provides solid protection, modern design, and practical everyday usability, making it a good value option for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want a stylish case with magnetic accessory support. Next in the list is Jelanry for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. The Jelanry Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus heavy-duty rugged case is built to provide strong everyday protection for users who want their phone shielded from drops, scratches, and dust. It features a dual-layer hybrid design with a hard polycarbonate inner shell and flexible TPU bumper, which helps absorb shocks and distribute impact during accidental falls. The case also includes port covers and raised edges to guard the charging port, screen, and camera from dust and surface contact. In real-world use, it feels sturdy in the hand and maintains a secure grip while still allowing easy access to buttons and ports. Compared with many thin, minimalist cases, the Jelanry model focuses more on rugged durability than ultra-slim design. Overall, it offers dependable heavy-duty protection and practical usability, making it a good value choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who prioritize durability and everyday device safety. Next in the list is Janmitta Magnetic for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Janmitta Magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to provide everyday protection while adding MagSafe compatibility for magnetic chargers and accessories. It features a slim, translucent matte back, shock-absorbing frame, and military-grade drop protection that helps guard the phone against accidental drops and scratches. The package also includes a tempered glass screen protector and a wrist strap, adding extra convenience and security during daily use. In real-world situations, the strong built-in magnetic ring keeps the phone aligned with magnetic chargers and mounts, while the matte finish improves grip and resists fingerprints. Compared with many basic slim cases, it offers more functionality through its magnetic design and included accessories. Overall, it delivers practical protection, stylish design, and good value for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want a lightweight case with added magnetic support and everyday convenience. Next in the list is Gritup for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Gritup case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to deliver strong, everyday protection while adding useful multifunction features for modern smartphone users. It includes 12-foot military-grade drop protection, a sliding camera cover, and 2 HD screen protectors, helping guard the phone from impacts, scratches, and dust. The built-in 360-degree rotating magnetic ring holder doubles as a secure grip and kickstand, making it convenient for hands-free video watching or video calls. In real-world use, the rugged dual-layer design keeps the phone stable during daily handling, while the camera slider adds extra privacy and lens protection. Compared with many basic slim cases, it offers more functionality with its rotating holder and included screen protectors. Overall, it provides strong protection, practical features, and good value, making it a solid option for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want durability along with built-in convenience. Next in the list is Oneagle for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Oneagle waterproof case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to provide extreme full-body protection for users who need their phone safe in harsh environments such as water, dust, or outdoor activities. It features IP68 waterproof sealing, built-in screen and lens protectors, MagSafe compatibility, and 12-foot military-grade drop protection, creating a durable shield around the device. Waterproof cases like this are typically engineered to protect phones from water, dust, and shocks while maintaining access to buttons and wireless charging features. In real-world use, the fully enclosed design helps keep the phone safe during rain, beach trips, or accidental drops while still allowing responsive touch operation. Compared with basic slim cases, it focuses more on heavy-duty protection and environmental resistance rather than minimal thickness. Overall, it offers strong durability, practical protection, and solid value for Galaxy S26 Plus users who work outdoors, travel frequently, or want maximum protection for their device. Next in the list is Poetic for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Poetic case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to deliver strong everyday protection while adding functional features like a rotating ring stand and magnetic accessory support. It features a dual-layer protective design with military-grade drop protection, MagSafe compatibility, and a 360-degree rotating magnetic ring that works as both a secure grip and kickstand for hands-free viewing. The included tempered glass screen protector adds an extra layer of protection for the display, while the rugged construction helps guard against drops and scratches. In real-life use, the rotating ring makes it easier to watch videos, join video calls, or mount the phone in a car while maintaining a stable grip during daily use. Compared with basic slim cases that only provide protection, this design adds more functionality through its built-in stand and magnetic support. Overall, it offers solid durability, practical features, and good value, making it a great choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want protection combined with hands-free convenience. Next up is RAPTIC for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case, the RAPTIC Shield. Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case is designed for users who want strong protection without sacrificing a slim, premium look. It combines a machined anodized aluminum frame, polycarbonate back, and shock-absorbing rubber interior to create a durable structure that protects the phone from impacts and daily wear. The case is engineered with military-grade drop protection rated up to about 23 feet while still remaining sleek and compatible with MagSafe chargers and accessories. In real-world use, the rigid frame and shock-absorbing interior help reduce damage from accidental drops while maintaining a comfortable grip and easy access to buttons. Compared with many standard plastic cases, the aluminum frame gives it a more premium feel and stronger structural support. Overall, it delivers reliable protection, refined design, and good value for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want durability with a stylish, high-quality build. Next up is Pelican Protector Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Pelican Protector Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case is built for users who need rugged protection without sacrificing modern features like magnetic and wireless charging support. It uses a dual-layer construction with an impact-resistant outer shell and shock-absorbing rubber lining, providing up to 16-foot military-grade drop protection for serious durability. In real-world use, the textured sides improve grip while the built-in magnets keep the phone aligned with magnetic chargers and accessories. Compared with many slim cases that focus mainly on style, this model prioritizes stronger impact protection and reinforced edges for everyday accidents. Overall, it offers reliable, heavy-duty performance and solid value, making it a great choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want dependable protection for work, travel, or outdoor use. Next up is FNTCASE for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The FNTCASE Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case is designed to deliver reliable everyday protection with a rugged dual-layer structure that shields the phone from drops, scratches, and daily wear. It features military-grade drop protection tested up to about 14 feet, a shock-absorbing TPU interior, and a hard polycarbonate outer shell helping disperse impact during accidental falls. In real-world use, the anti-slip textured surface improves grip while the included screen protector adds extra display safety without affecting touch sensitivity. Compared with ultra-slim minimalist cases, it focuses more on durability and grip rather than a thin profile, making it better suited for users who prioritize protection. Overall, it offers solid build quality and practical features at a budget-friendly level, making it a good choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want dependable protection for everyday use. Next up is SPIDERCASE Magnetic for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Case the SPIDERCASE Magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to protect the phone while adding convenient hands-free functionality through its built-in stand and magnetic accessory support. It features military-grade drop protection, a slim shock-absorbing structure, and a foldable invisible stand that supports multiple viewing angles, making it practical for watching videos or joining video calls. In real-world use, the built-in magnetic ring keeps the phone aligned with magnetic chargers and mounts, while the slim design maintains a comfortable grip without adding bulk. Compared with simple protective cases that only focus on durability, this design adds versatility through its hidden stand and magnetic functionality. Overall, it offers balanced protection, everyday convenience, and good value for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want both durability and hands-free usability in a single case. Next up is TORRAS Galaxy S26 Plus case, the TORRAS Strong Magnetic and Seamless Stand Case for Samsung. Galaxy S26 Plus is designed to protect the phone while adding practical features like magnetic accessory support and a built-in kickstand. It combines military-grade drop protection, shock-absorbing TPU materials, and raised edges to guard the screen and camera from everyday impacts. The standout feature is its seamless, adjustable kickstand integrated into the back, allowing comfortable hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes without adding bulk. In real-world use, the strong magnetic alignment keeps the phone secure with MagSafe chargers and mounts while maintaining a slim and comfortable grip. Overall, it offers a strong balance of durability, convenience, and modern design, making it a great choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want protection with built-in stand functionality. Next up is Pitaka for S26 Plus case. The Pitaka S26 Plus Edge case is designed for users who want ultra-slim protection without covering the phone's premium design. Made from 600D aramid fiber, the case is extremely thin, lightweight, and durable while remaining compatible with MagSafe and wireless charging accessories. In real-world use, the woven texture provides a comfortable grip and resists fingerprints while adding minimal bulk to the Galaxy S26 Plus. Compared with typical TPU cases that focus on thick protection, this model prioritizes elegance and lightweight everyday durability. Overall, it offers a premium minimalist design and strong material quality, making it ideal for users who prefer a sleek, high-end case rather than heavy, rugged protection. Last one in the list is UAG for Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case. The Urban Armor Gear UAG Pathfinder Clear Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus case is designed to deliver rugged protection while keeping the phone's original color visible through its transparent back. It features an ultra-lightweight armor shell, impact-resistant frame, and reinforced TPU corners that help absorb shocks, with independently tested drop protection of up to 18 feet while meeting military-grade standards. In real-world use, the textured sides improve grip, and the built-in magnet module keeps the phone aligned with magnetic and wireless chargers for convenient everyday use. Compared with typical slim, clear cases that mainly focus on style, this model emphasizes stronger structural protection and durability. Overall, it's a solid choice for Galaxy S26 Plus users who want rugged protection with magnetic charging support while still showing off the phone's design. Those were the top 13 best Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus drop protection cases for 2026, designed to keep your phone protected from serious drops and everyday accidents. If you found a case that fits your style and protection needs, check the product links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech gear.